Allegheny Mountains, Allegheny origins. We're here today cutting down some trees with Flood City Tree. My buddy go kayaking with, and got some big trees that we're ripping down, so I've got some footage for you. Had that cherry too. Pretty big. 24 at its widest. It's probably a little wider there. 25 at its widest. So this one is 24 with the bark, about 23 and a half. Yeah, about 2-foot tree here. The big one that you've seen blow apart in the field as we pulled it with the truck. And the grand prize of the day, I think, is this one here. Look at that. He's a big one. And the video doesn't do it justice. That's why I had to bring out the measure. So So yeah, it's been a few days. That was my buddy Lee with floodcitytree.com. Good kayak buddy of mine. Been friends with him for over a decade, about a decade now. Definitely see him in a couple kayak videos. So got my work cut out for me though here for the rest of the week, cutting up some trees. But that's okay, all the dangerous trees are down. And that's the end of all the ash trees that I pretty much had here that we had to deal with. You know, one of the reasons why we had to deal with these is this little bugger right here, the emerald ash borer beetle. As you can see on this one here underneath the bark, they get in there and they just path their way through it, and they just suck the tree of its nutrients, and they just attack the ash trees in the area. I can't remember the year it happened. 2003-ish, 2004, around there, early 2000s though. You know, a insect from another part of the world came and just come through and destroyed all the ash trees. So my big thing was I wanted to cut down them all, give a safe place for this path, give a safe place for my kids to play in these woods as they grow up. Now I don't have to worry about these trees anymore. They'll rot, hopefully make some mushrooms, and maybe we'll be able to catch one of these little buggers. No, not so much. You can see they just... Let's claim they're all dead. The spray killed them all. I feel like maybe I've seen one buried in these still, maybe. But maybe not. But yeah, so we cut down about 50, about 40 of them. We were real safe about it. Wanted to make sure that we did it the right way. And then these last couple, they were just beyond our skill and beyond our control. So we had Lee come up and take care of them. So if anybody needs a handy tree service guy that likes to climb up them and chop down branches from above, give them a call. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.